It's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live, and Sarah as well. We're so excited in today's video as we're going to be trying some products that we got from the Cumbria Vegan Fair, Mam.
We are. Thought it'd be really lovely to try some of the lovely products we got from the Cumbria Vegan Fair.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
It's going to be lovely. We got some products from Happy Sprout, don't you, Mam?
We did when we found all the lovely, amazing products we had from Happy Sprouts.
It was. It was also so lovely to get some of the vegan fudge from the witchcraft place too.
It was. When we tried the tasters they had there, oh, it was so good, weren't they?
They really were, and it was quite hard to decide as well, wasn't it, Mam?
It was, but we'll have to make sure we chose the right ones to bring home.
Definitely. Natural sparkles cleaning products too. We're really looking forward to trying some of the products over the next few weeks. Should we try some of the Happy Sprout granola, Mam?
I think that's a great idea. Do you want some with breakfast this morning?
Yes, please.
But would you like to try some before I put it over our breakfast?
Yes, please, Mam, that'd be lovely. We thought we'd try the peanut butter chocolate chips one first. Oh, the smell you opened it, Mam, was incredible, wasn't it?
The smell was amazing when I opened the packet for you.
Mmm.
And I thought we'd have it with some vegan Greek yogurt and some berries.
Oh my gosh, that's absolutely incredible. I love the taste of the peanut butter so much. And then you get the lovely taste of the chocolate chips after as well. Mmm. That's so lovely.
Should we go and enjoy it?
Here is the zesty parmesan. Smells amazing, doesn't it, Mam?
It really does.
Mmm.
Does it go well with my arrabbiata sauce?
It really does go so well with your arrabbiata sauce, along with the wicked meatballs too.
Should we go and enjoy it?
I love the nuttiness too, so wonderful. Here is the chocolate granola. Oh, I love the smell so much, don't you, Mam?
The smell is so wonderful. Oh, you can see the nuts there as well.
It tastes absolutely wonderful. I love it so much. And it was so lovely that they had the lovely samples at the vegan fair too, wasn't it, Mam?
It was. It was really lovely to taste the granola as well, wasn't it?
It was. Shall we go enjoy it now, Mam, with the yoghurt and fruit?
I think that's a great idea. It's all ready.
Perfect. Today we thought we'd try some of the middle witchcraft fudge. We got 2 other flavours from the fair, didn't we, Mam?
We did. All the tasters were lovely. It was hard to choose which 2 we wanted, but we went for
Cherry and rose water.
That's it.
I think I'll go for this one first.
Have a smell and see if you can guess which one that one is.
Smells like cherry. You saw, Mam?
I would say that one is the cherry one.
Brilliant. Here you go, Mam.
Thank you.
Love that flavour so much, do you, Mam?
Lovely taste of cherry. And a lovely soft fudge, isn't it?
And it melts in your mouth too.
It really does. And the taste of cherry just stays through it the whole time. It's nice to have little pieces of
Yeah, it's a
fudge for a change.
big piece. Rose water? The window.
Here we go.
You go, Mam.
Thank you. soon as you put it by your mouth, you can smell the rose water, can't you? That's lovely.
It tastes just like Turkish delight, doesn't it, Mam?
Really does.
Again, with this one, the taste stays to the whole piece, and I can still taste it now.
I can as well. Absolutely lovely.
Oh, so good. Okay.
Imagine a world where we all belong, where no one's left out, dressed in our finest, walking the walk. Ooh, imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guests, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. No need to seek shelter, everyone's free, and the best they can be. Tall grass sing songs and trees play a symphony. Ooh, imagine what we could do.
We're now going to try out the natural sparkles.
Multi-surface cleaner. Shake the bottle first. You don't need as much.
You don't.
Oh, there's a lovely smell of eucalyptus.
It is lovely. Oh wow, it's nice and strong, isn't it?
Lovely smell.
Here is their cheese sauce. It smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it, Mam?
It really does.
Wow, the Happy Sprout cheese sauce is absolutely incredible. I love the cheesy flavour so much. It's not too cheesy either. It's nice and creamy too. Everything was absolutely incredible, wasn't it, Mam?
It really was.
From Happy Sprout to the Middle Witchcraft Fudge and all the amazing products from Natural Sparkle too.
Everything was really amazing.
It was. We really enjoyed trying all of the products too. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have tried any of these products. If you have, which ones have you tried? If you haven't, which ones would you like to try? We're also really looking forward to sharing with you all in a couple of weeks the amazing Happy Mouse cheeses that we got from the North Wales Vegan Festival, aren't we, Mam?
We really are.
If you haven't seen the video from the North Wales Vegan Festival, we'll link it up there. We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!